Friday evening. Payday finally arrives, and for a brief moment, everything feels under control. You buy exactly what you've always bought. Nothing fancy, just the basics.
Then the cashier announces the total. And suddenly, something doesn't feel right.
You didn't buy more. You didn't change your habits. Yet somehow, everything costs more.
Your paycheck arrived, but it disappeared faster than you expected. Bills don't arrive one at a time anymore. They arrive all at once.
The headlines say the economy is strong, but your wallet tells a different story. Millions of hardworking Americans are asking the exact same question.
Same job. I am still working the exact same job. But look at this. Same shopping list, completely different financial reality.
The question isn't whether the rules changed, it's whether you're ready to understand the new ones. The products barely changed, but the numbers on the receipt certainly did. Inflation doesn't arrive all at once. It quietly raises the price of everyday life.
But your purchasing power isn't.
Sometimes companies don't raise prices. They quietly give you less.
You finish the same products faster, even though you're paying more.
Behind the scenes, prices can change, long before most families notice. A few extra dollars here, a few extra dollars there, eventually become hundreds every month. Spending more money doesn't always mean taking home more value. And this is only the beginning, because groceries are just one piece of a much bigger financial story.
The real financial pressure doesn't begin at the grocery store. It begins after you get home.
A small balance can quietly grow into a long-term burden when interest starts working against you.
Most debt doesn't begin with luxury. It begins with unexpected emergencies. When every dollar already has a job, one surprise expense changes everything.
Debt rarely explodes overnight. It grows quietly, month after month.
Sometimes the biggest leaks in your budget are the ones you stop noticing.
Financial stress doesn't just affect bank accounts.
I just don't know how we're gonna pay all this.
It affects relationships too.
We'll figure it out together.
Easy payments often hide the true cost of today's decisions.
The goal isn't to avoid spending money. It's to stop paying tomorrow for yesterday's purchases.
For millions of Americans, buying a home has become a goal that keeps moving farther away.
It's not just the home price. It's the monthly payment that changes everything. Many families discover that renting costs less than owning, at least for now. Choosing to rent isn't failure. Sometimes it's the smartest financial decision available. Here,
A house comes with far more than just a mortgage payment. It also includes property tax, insurance, maintenance costs, and potentially other fees.
The dream of homeownership still matters, but timing matters just as much.
Financial freedom isn't measured by the size of your house. It's measured by your peace of mind.
Every dollar you save today creates more choices for tomorrow.
Economic conditions change, but disciplined habits continue building wealth.
The next challenge isn't about where you live. It's about how the future of work is changing faster than ever. The workplace isn't disappearing. It's transforming faster than most people expected. The biggest advantage today isn't competing against AI. It's learning how to work with it.
Technology rewards people who adapt, not those who ignore change.
Your most valuable investment may no longer be a stock. It may be a new skill.
The future belongs to people who keep learning, even after school is over. Every new skill creates opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago.
AI isn't replacing every profession. Heck, it's changing how every profession works.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज का डेटा दिखाता है कि प्रौद्योगिकी और मानवीय विवेक का संयोजन अजेय है.
Every generation faces a major economic shift. This is ours. The people who prepare today won't fear tomorrow. Pugon, they'll help shape it.
Real financial freedom begins long before retirement. It begins with today's decisions. Small, automatic investments can become powerful through consistency.
Wealth usually grows the same way a tree does. Slowly, quietly, and over time.
An emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It gives you breathing room when life surprises you.
Every debt you eliminate increases your future freedom. Financial success isn't about having more than everyone else. A threat. It's about having control over your own future. The economy will continue changing, but preparation will always be your greatest advantage. The future doesn't belong to people who predict it. It belongs to those who prepare for it. Every financial journey starts with one decision. Make today the day you take control of yours.